Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making your server presentable and reachable. That matters more than fancy claims. Once the server is online, write a clear, keyword-rich description and pick one short tagline to use everywhere. Make a simple logo and capture 1-2 screenshots or a 1-minute trailer so viewers instantly understand your theme. While you do that, set concise rules and friendly spawn areas. Next, gather links and assets so you can paste them into listings and social posts without delay. Now you expand reach across platforms with consistent messaging. First, submit your server to relevant directories and server lists with your tagline and trailer. That improves discoverability. Then post tailored announcements to community hubs like Reddit and Discord, matching each audience's tone. Use short clips or images for social feeds and pin a primary invite link. Once done, schedule weekly updates that highlight events or changes so returning players always see fresh reasons to finish by focusing on retention and quick fixes. Growth depends on players staying. You should run weekly events and simple rewards to convert visitors into regulars and incentivize referrals with small perks. Make sure staff or automated messages guide new players so first impressions stick. Monitor join rates and peak times to time promotions. If connectivity or crashes happen, restart plugins, check server logs, and temporarily disable recent changes. That troubleshooting step usually resolves most launch day failures fast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.